Another new trail for me here. Lodgepole to Beaver Creek. Starting kind of at the top here, it's a little bit of a green. Looking back this way is the Ferguson Hill trail that connects to Mitchell Creek Connector. To the left from Lodgepole Campground comes down here. We're just gonna hop on this way. This up here is a green, pretty much just a gravel trail on the side of the road. Please stay off of the road. This is Ferguson Hill Road. We've got these nice trails here. We might as well use them. And here we go. This trail is a blue, very recent build. This is my first time down it. Try to do a little bit better than Stu. Sorry, Stu. This isn't fun at all. Wow. Some very incredible and talented trail builders have built trail in this park. They even make the connectors a lot of fun. Tabletops, I guarantee you they're not as fun the other direction. There we are. Beaver Creek Trail right here. This trail here at Beaver Creek. Slow it down. Campgrounds. Interpretive trail around a lake. Multi or bi-directional. Lots of hikers and bikers and runners and walkers and strollers. So keep an eye out.